a little demonstration video accompanying my electronic stack exchange article blog entry about the electronic radio button. Alright, so what's happening here is I have only built it with 3 buttons, and but that's proof of concept which proves that it works. So what's going on? 1 button, 2 button, 3 button. This is a line encoder, an 8-line to 3-line encoder, priority encoder. And here is the first button with a 0 value connected to here. The button is tied to, is using a pull-up resistor, 10 kilo ohm. And when the button is pressed, it is shorted to ground. So that pulls the signal low on that line. And what happens then is that, let's put it on 1, right? What happens then is that the encoded output gets into a latch. This here is a 375 latch, 4-bit latch. And that means that when on the falling edge of a clock line, which is here, this one, it comes out of the output of E0. E0 of this encoder means that no button is pushed, and it just so happens that the E0 line is going low faster than the output from this encoder. And so this is why the latch will latch in the actual value of the encoded, of the output of the encoder, right as the E0, meaning that no button is pushed, goes low. So that's why it works. And I have only built it with this one, the last button here. This is the highest value, and so all bits are set. I could, of course, put 8 more in here, but it's just too much work. So I just wanted to see if this works. There are some little failures that happen here. For example, if I just keep pushing number 1 and number 0, right? Sometimes everything lights up, and there's some issues with the breadboard, and they are not debounced either. But it's actually working the way I want it to work. So it's good. Instant success.